Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This video is an updated video today to show you the best cookie run kingdom codes in 2026. I spent a long time searching for codes for cookie run kingdom, and the ones that I'm going to show you are by far the very best. You can get tons of free gems, you can get free cookie cutters, Fateful cookie cutters, and more rewards, guys. And it takes just a few minutes to get your exclusive CRK coupon codes. Before I show you guys how to do this, please like this video and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more, because I do plan on making updated CRK code videos as and when they're needed. So as you can see, guys, you need to use your mobile phone and open up the internet browser. So you need an internet connection, and to get to your cookie run kingdom codes, you need to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, you've just got to type it like this into your mobile phone internet browser. And Cold Coupons is a codes website. They don't only have mobile games, they have console games and Roblox games, loads of different things, guys. I highly recommend you bookmark this page because they do add and remove codes quite often, so it's good to stay up to date. So what you're going to want to do is use the search bar to search for your Cookie Run Kingdom codes page. And here we go. Now there are 4 verified Cookie Run Kingdom coupon codes, and you can see thousands of people have used these over the period of time. And as I mentioned, you can get stuff like free rewards, free gems, 100,000 free gems, so that's awesome. You can get all cookies, so this is going to unlock every single cookie. And you can get 300 Fateful cookie cutters. So all you need to do is choose your code that you want. This is a 100,000 free gems or crystals code. And guys, this entire process literally takes about 5 minutes, and considering what they give you, these are definitely the best codes available. So as you can see, it says here, your coupon code is ready, and the code will be revealed in the box after verification. And you can see your Cookie Run Kingdom code is currently locked and hidden. Now, what this means, guys, is you need to unlock your Cookie Run Kingdom code. And that is because these are limited, and it does limit 1 code per person. Considering what they give you, guys, it's understandable that you can only get 1. So click on Get Full Code, and you're going to see this screen here that says Code Unlocker. And you just need to follow the instructions here. And I'm just going to whiz through this, but basically you need to complete 2 of the tasks below. They're all completely free, and they're simple things like installing mobile apps and playing games. So as an example, this one at the bottom, this is an easy example. Download and install this app and run it for 30 seconds. So that one you basically would click on, and you need to download the app from the App Store or the Google Play Store and then just run it for 30 seconds. So very important you read that small description below each one, because that tells you how to complete the tasks. So once you complete 2 of them, it'll redirect you back to this page. And basically, guys, your code will be revealed. So your Cookie Run Kingdom coupon code will be unlocked, and it will be fully revealed for you to use. And that is going to get you free gems in Cookie Run Kingdom. So head on over to Cold Coupons. If you need any assistance, let me know, guys. Drop a comment below. I'm always monitoring the comments. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in my next video.